I love it. I've been doing it forever. It is the baseline on just about every client that I see. With this February in a month will be my 15-year anniversary in practice. So we've got a fairly extensive toolbox. That's where the gray hair comes from. And, so I've got all kinds of different techniques for releases and everything else. But NMR is really that's my baseline. I use that with just about everybody. And it's extraordinarily effective. When explaining it to a person through email or on the phone, it sounds too good to be true. But if they come in, they usually find out I actually did know what I was talking about, and it works. It is profoundly satisfying to have a person limp in and walk lightly out of the office. That's profoundly satisfying. That's why I get out of bed every morning. And that happens fairly frequently when a person comes in and they've been to 400 other therapists and 10 doctors and nothing has worked. And after one NMR session, they actually feel stability that they've not known before. And we can break through some recruiting processes that they were using that they weren't even aware of. And they can walk out under their own power. That's the whole reason for using NMR right there, in my humble opinion. Myofascial, I've done sports, deep tissue, Swedish. I'm actually infant massage certified, which doesn't play in an awful lot when I'm working on 275-pound power lifters, but I am also infant massage certified. But NMR is really what I've been focusing on pretty seriously for the last 10 years. I'm pretty decent at what I do, but it's because of the application of this amazing technique more than anything else. She is the most extraordinary person I've ever met. Her wisdom is something you don't come across very often in this lifetime. So she's the type of person that when she speaks, even a loudmouth like me takes the opportunity to be quiet and listen, because she is extraordinary. And what I value about her, despite her vast knowledge, is that she is always willing to learn new things. She has the vast majority of answers, but she'll tell you, I don't have all the answers. Everybody in the room is saying, yes, you do. So she knows that she doesn't have them all. And so she is always willing to listen to a person in Mod 1 who might have the insight. They might be the chosen one that she hasn't thought of yet. So that's what I love about her. And when she teaches her classes, here's a protocol. Try it, and then experiment with it. Take it, make it yours. Don't go out and be little Jocelyn's. She doesn't want robots. She wants people who think on their feet, which is why I love her. That's how I used to be a college professor in a former lifetime. So I didn't want little robots. I wanted people who challenged me, who people could actually read and think and that kind of thing. So that's what I've always admired about her, is her teaching style and her approach to life.